I see OML's booth. It's very designing. So let's take a look at their booth. It's designed very modern and very fashion. Hello, this is Lightstrade.com. Is it Mr. Joe?
Yes, this
Hi.
is Andrew. How are you?
Hi, Andrew. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So we're a Lightstrade platform, and we would like to show OML to the global client. You may introduction about your company and product to us.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, welcome to OML Lighting. This is Andrew, the sales manager of the North and South America region. And today I'm glad to introduce to you our booth and also our latest popular products. So you can see we create the linear light effect. The linear light effect with LED strip light and aluminum profiles, and this is a basic principle, basic concept of OML lighting, linear light effect. So let's move on, and I'll introduce to you our products. So this year, in this 2022 Guangdong Fair, we have many top-selling products, and but even if you forget everything in our booth, I must need you to remember this COB strip light. COB strip light is the top-selling item among these few years, and it is very popular in the market in North America, South America, and Middle East, and even the European market. What is COB strip light? Actually, it is. You can see it is very similar to SMD strip light, but you can see the light is more uniform. More uniform because we use a technology called a flip chip. It only has the chip inside instead of LED. That big. You know, this is very small chip, so you can see the light is uniform, and we can have more chips on the PCB board. So the efficiency is higher, the lumen is higher, and the cost is more effective. And of course, because it is a future trend, it is a very promising future trend of LED strip light industry. So we must have a full family. You know, we have everything to replace the SMD strip light. So we have RGB, RGBW, RGBTW, CCD tunable, and the super narrow, and high lumen, high efficiency. So different solution to solve any problem, any problem that our customers may be facing. So this is a COB strip light. So there's no reason that customers that nobody likes this family.
Yeah, it is. And actually, we can comparing that they were like free cuttable, 10 mm cuttable, but this is longer, right? No. And this is very narrow, 5 mm, and you can comparing this one to the normal traditional one. This is maybe only half of the traditional design.
Yes, it is.
And I think client cares about their certification. That can they using in what kind of market are they able to use for?
Actually, every market are using this SMD strip light, they can buy this one instead. They can buy this instead. They can one advantage that SMD strip light doesn't have is this. We need to use the strip light with the aluminum profile. With the profile, because it has dark spot. It has dark spot. Like this is light and this is dark. This is light. This is dark. Because there is space between the LED. But it is not gonna happen for the COB strip light, because you know the chip is so small. There is almost no space between the chips, so you can see there's no dark spot. It can use for surface mounted. No need the aluminum profile.
So
this is the biggest advantage.
So Andrew want to tell us that this is just like a linear line, and this could be the final product that without any diffuser and cover. But the traditional one is with a lot of LED dotted, the hotspot.
Yeah.
We were interested about the high voltage.
High voltage.
Stride you mentioned.
High voltage strip. Sorry. High voltage strip. We've been producing high voltage strips for almost 18 years since our company started. So for now, I would like to introduce the most promising, most popular product, which is commonly used for projects, for contractors. This is the DOB strip light. DOB strip light. We call it DOB strip light. DOB is short for driver on board. Driver on board, because we need the driver for high voltage. We need the driver to transfer AC to DC. Yeah. For this DOB strip light, we don't need the driver. The driver is on the board. Is on the board.
So it means driver free.
Yes, driver free. Driver free. And driver free is not the biggest advantage. The biggest advantage is it has higher efficiency, higher lumen than the normal regular high voltage strip. It is like this is 12 volts, and we have 850 lumen. This is not common for high voltage strip, because we have to consider the heat issue, the heat problem for the high voltage strip. But this one we have a different solution. We have different design, so we can have higher power and higher lumen. And this is best choice for the projects, for contractors. And also normal high voltage strip, it can be cut each meter or maybe half meter. But this one we can cut like in 10 centimeter.
It's shorter.
A lot shorter. So when the contractors are doing their projects, when they're installing the strip lights, it is easier. They can cut in 10 centimeter, and they can reduce the cost, reduce the loss. Yeah. So this is a DOB strip light.
So I saw you have the silicone case.
Yes.
So this is waterproof?
Yes, it is waterproof. It is IP65 waterproof. It can be used for wet location, even it's raining.
And one last question for our buyer.
Yeah.
Do you have a dimming version?
Dimming version, yeah. Actually, every strip light you can see on the board, we can have the dimming version. It is very easy for strip light. Same strip light, only with the dimmer. every strip light we can use a dimmer to achieve the dimming version.
I see. And also you mentioned here no flicking, because the flicking is a lot. This is the problem that a lot of buyers they have about flicking.
Yeah.
And this is no flicking.
This is no flickering. Flickering is actually is nothing about the strip light. It's about the driver.
Okay.
So it's about driver. So we solve the driver's problem. We solve the flickering. So we change the driver to this no flickering driver. Yeah, so this the flickering is not about taking a picture. It's more about using in the office, in the classrooms, that people may stay in that room for a whole day. If it keeps flickering, it hurts the eyes. So we developed the non-flickering driver to avoid the flicker. This is even better for nowadays environment, because the education is more important. We have to do something good. We have to produce better products for the children and people working in the office.
And I see some very interesting thing. Can our camera turn on this area? Because if the LED plate straight they were too long, they will have the voltage drop.
Yeah.
But I saw this. I was wondering, 6 meters. The LED straight for 6 meters without voltage drop. That's impressive.
Yeah. This one's. You can see it's so long, and maybe you're thinking maybe it's 220 volt, but actually it's 48 volts. 48 volt, low voltage strip. And why is it so? Why is it so long? Because we have a different design. We have IC. We have constant current IC to keep the current stable. We keep the current stable, then there is no voltage drop, even for 60 meters. Yeah, even for 60 meters. So you can see there is no obvious voltage drop from the start and the end. No obvious change.
So you have solved the puzzle, the problem of the most headache problem about the lens, and also about high voltage. I think here is so our buyer, they just want to know how can they contact you. So
contact you. Contact me. Okay. You can. Okay. This is the third day of the exhibition, and we'll still be here. We'll still be here until tomorrow morning. So everyone come here, or you can. You can call me. You can call our team. Or add our friend at us on the WeChat, and we can talk about our cooperation.
Yeah, you could connect my.
This is Michelle, our teammate. Yeah, the best senior sales in our team.
And you could also between searching for OML, or also come to the lightstrade.com. We will forward the inquiry to OML for you to look for the product you want.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Andrew.
you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
See you. So let's okay. So let's walk through the booth, and we could take a look about the other products. It's a very cool booth with the cool product. And they also have the neo lighting. So our buyers are welcome to come visit tomorrow as well. Tomorrow is the last day of the lighting exhibition.